Well, oftentimes the consumer protection attorney, consumer protection lawyer can help their client, number one, learn the law. They can show them how to actually keep track of the creditor calls and be able to, utilize that in evidence down the road if there's ever any unlawful harassment or collection activities. Also, what's most important is people do try to do this more often than not on their own because they're afraid of the costs. A good consumer protection attorney has developed a system and he understands these particular matters in a way that he can make it affordable for the consumer. And he can definitely help with the defense. A person that's not with a good lawyer or a good consumer defense attorney by themselves, they call that pro se, won't know the rules of evidence. They won't be able to keep the particular discussions of how much is owed and stuff out of evidence, or at least put the creditor to the task of proving their case properly. So I believe that you have several advantages. The consumer lawyer knows how to handle the lawsuit. They know how to work with the people in order to get them an affordable rate. And most importantly, they know who to contact at the creditor because they can get someone sort of higher up on the food chain to try and work some type of situation or an arrangement for you. Oftentimes, too, if there's a consumer lawyer involved, the creditor might want to take the path of least resistance, and he'd rather go after a consumer that's not represented by a lawyer than one that is, knowing that he might end up spending a bunch of time in court rather than just being able to get a default judgment because the consumer doesn't know how to properly defend himself.